Welcome to this video. I'm going to be showing you how to fix limited access in Discord. Okay, so if you're getting that error, you want to go ahead and open up Google, and then what you want to type is Discord support limited access. Discord support limited access, and then you want to click on this limited access FAQ. Okay, you can read through this, but what you want to do is scroll down to the bottom, and there it says submit a ticket here. Click on submit a ticket. It's going to verify quickly. So I'll just give that a moment, and now you need to select what you want to get helps with. So appeals, but what you want to do is how can we help? You need to go here and select appeal on action taken on my channel, and what you need to do is fill in the relevant information and then describe your problem right here. So let them know that you're getting the limited access error, you're having trouble with that, and can they please help you out. You can include a screenshot right there, and they'll get back to you. So if this helps you out, drop a like on the video and subscribe to my channel.